So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so when I said hello guys, I remember the things I read somewhere or saw somewhere that like us saying hello guys or like anything like hi bro and stuff. It is very patriarchal. Until now I had not thought about this in details, but then after I read something, I had a great discussion with myself that yes, this is instead very patriarchal, because things we use as common words for like calling out people, whether male or female, are generally terms that are used for men and not women. Like people do not go and say hi sis, it is usually hi bro, hi man, and hi guys. Okay, so leaving that apart, so today's video is about some products that I ordered from Purple. See, I have been like thinking of using something on my skin because my skin is combination. Sometimes I think that, or and sometimes it is very oily. So I was finding for like searching for some products for my skin, maybe some face wash or something else which would like at least do something to my pimples and oil secretion. But then I had left everything, not using anything for like last 2 or 3 years. I was like कि जैसा skin है वैसा ही रहने दो, nothing is there in outside beauty and stuff. So I was not even using face wash. लेकिन फिर अभी रिसेंटली क्या हो गया, आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग वाइट हेड्स एंड ब्लैक हेड्स पूरे लाइक ऑल ओवर दिस एवरीवेयर आई हैव वाइट हेड्स. सो आई थॉट कि इतना भी ऊपरी ब्यूटी को नहीं डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं, मतलब इफ़ दैट डज नॉट गो टू लाइक आउटर ब्यूटी, इट इज़ एटलीस्ट अवर health, like the skin of my health, the health of my skin should be like good, it should be healthy, the skin should be healthy. So I ordered some products from Purple. This is the box I got delivered today. So let's get started, see what I have got. The box is already open because my brother opened it, but the things which are inside are like absolutely safe. No one has opened them. So today's date is 11th December. I ordered it like kuch, I guess on 6th December, and there was some sale, there is some sale from 6 to 12, लेकिन इतना कम प्राइस भी नहीं है, like the prices are okay, ज़्यादा कम नहीं है. तो I ordered how many products? 4 5. I ordered 5 products. ओके 5 प्रोडक्ट्स, इसमें से तीन प्रोडक्ट्स बिल में, बस 3 प्रोडक्ट्स के नाम है, बाकी 2 प्रोडक्ट्स का बिल लग रहा है खोलते टाइम कहीं रखा गया. तो सबसे पहले व्हाट आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड इज दिस. If you can see all the products I have ordered, like I am ordering them for the first time. Before this I have not used any of these products. I have not even used the company they are from. Like for Biotic I have used the oil of Biotic Bhringraj oil, but that was like okay, कोई ऐसे ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आया नहीं था. So this time I have ordered Biotic Bio Fruit Whitening Lip Balm. Let us see if this works. I got this for 121 rupees lip balm. Then I also got this from Derm Doc. It is anti-acne face gel with salicylic acid. So इसमें आई हैड 2 ऑप्शंस. ईदर तो मैं ये जेल ऑर्डर कर देती या तो सीरम ऑर्डर करती मैं सैलिसिलिक एसिड का, लेकिन दिस वाज like comparatively cheaper than the serum, so I ordered this. I got this for I guess MRP इसकी 199 है. I got it for 169 rupees. See, I told you ज़्यादा सस्ता नहीं था इस सेल में. I ordered from the wrong sale. So I got this for 169. Also it is written कि do try a patch test of this before using it on your skin, so I'll try that also. ख़राब आ गया तो फिर waste. So this. Then I have ordered these from Alp Goodness. Yeah. दिस इज़ वाइल्ड टर्मरिक पाउडर एंड दिस इज़ सैंडलवुड पाउडर। MRP इसकी है 105 और इसकी है 90 रुपीज़, तो कुछ ऐसे 50 से 65 के बीच में दोनों पड़े मुझे। सो दीज ये फेस पैक के लिए है दिस। एंड एट लास्ट आई गॉट दिस क्लेंजर। मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे डिटेल्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन की कि व्हाट फेस वॉश आई शुड यूज़। लाइक आई हैव यूज्ड लाइक मैनी फेस वॉश इन पहले। आई हैव यूज्ड खादी वाला, आई हैव यूज्ड अरोमा मैजिक का, आई हैव ऑल्सो यूज्ड आयुष, बस क्लीन एंड क्लियर और ये सब तो होते ही रहता है। So let us see if this works. Like this time I did not get it for what was coming for oily skin. I just got Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. The MRP of this is 280. I got it for 258, I guess 250 or 238, I don't remember. So these are the products I got. So in total the sum of this packaging was 535. So this was all about the products I got from Purple. If you want to know the result I got after using these products, do write in the comment section below and I'll surely make a video of this. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.